Hello, I'm Miss Squires and I'm here to talk to you about Computer Science GCSE. Firstly, why study computer science? Computer science is all about problem solving, which is an essential life skill. We solve problems every single day, and taking computer science will help you to think about problems in a different way and ideas on how to solve. Computing skills, I can't really think of a profession that doesn't involve computing in some degree. It is everywhere. You've grown up with it and it will continue on for you. So having an understanding of how computers work will really help you in the future. And also everything's going more technology, so the skills are becoming more and more important. We have a digital skills gap, they call it in the UK. We don't have the expertise of people creating the technology. A lot of that is done outside of the UK and they want to create that here. And we have the skills and the people that can develop those skills. So there should always be job opportunities available. And one that always interests you guys is high salaries. Computing does come with some of the high salaries out there. Just do a quick Google search and you'll find that out. So what do we study? Well, actually, if you think back to year 8 and 9, what you have covered is pretty much what you will cover at GCSE with a few extras. We've given you those particular topics to give you a starting point. So if you've enjoyed those topics, then we will look at those in more depth at GCSE. It's split into 2 sections. So first section is computer systems, which is on the screen there. So how are computers set up? How do networks work? What's inside computers? The security. And also we look at the ethical, legal side of digital technology. And the second half of the course is our computational thinking. That's our logical thinking, it's our algorithms, remember flowcharts. It's programming, so thinking about how we would program. How do we make sure programs are robust? So thinking of testing. Okay. Also part of it is that we will do practical programming. We tend to do 1 lesson a week of practical programming. Although you are not assessed on this, there is no coursework that involves creating a program. Your exams that you will sit, and as you would have seen for that second section, is based around programs. So you need to understand the concept of programming. So we do programming. The course is assessed with 2 written papers that are an hour and a half each. They range from multiple choice questions through to long answer questions. Computer science is theory heavy. As I say, we do a bit of programming, but actually it is theory. There's lots of technical language to learn. And it is all assessed through written papers. That does mean every single lesson is not done on a computer. Finally, what skills and qualities will you need? An inquiring mind. If you think about when we've done programming, we ask you to think of different ways to solve a problem. And also we're going to be looking at computers at a higher level than we have done so far. So you need to be interested in how they work and how we create programs. So that's your inquiring mind. As I said earlier, if you enjoyed the year 8 and 9 content, then you will like the GCSE, because we cover a lot of the same stuff that we have already done, but in more detail. One other thing to mention is computing is heavily linked to maths. So there is quite a bit of maths involved. You just need to have confidence in it. So a bit of confidence with maths and you will do great. Okay. Also, I'm calling out to the girls. We need girls in computing. I'm going to share some stuff with you about girls in computing, but they've been at the forefront of computing from the very beginning and still continue to be. So girls, please think about us as well. Boys, we'd like to have you in. If you've got any questions, please contact either myself, Miss Squires, or Mr. Sorrell, and we'll happily answer any questions. Thank you.